This is Captain Chuck Cook with FirstLight Charters right here in Lewis, Delaware. We're getting ready to go out to some inshore wrecks right here in Delaware. It's an area called Site 10. It's a good place to drift for flounder. We're going to drift these wrecks. We're going to navigate to them using the GPS, which is based on latitude and longitude. We're going to use that to navigate to our wrecks. We're going to go up current, depending on the current, the tide, and the wind, and we're going to drift by them and through them. This way we're going to cover as much ground as possible and try to catch as many flounder as possible.